Let's buy ice cream. Sali ko pong ice cream. Ito, pwede po pabili po ng isang ice cream, yung sweet corn. Kung ano po mayroon? Blueberry yogurt din po, wala kayo?
Blueberry yakin, sa 25.
Yung
Blueberry
yogurt?
Sa baring yogurt dito. Basta blueberry.
Sige
Ayan
po.
na, pink siya.
O sige, isa nga po gano'n.
Ito yung sinasabi niya.
Ay, strawberry crispy.
Pwede na po yan.
Ala, kita nga.
Sweet corn po na chichirya, wala man po.
Atin.
May itong po rin.
Hmm.
Kaya ngarap na.
Hmm. 33.
Ilan po?
33.
Magkano po?
33.
Ay, ito po.
Ano yan?
Ito, maliit na ito.
Ano yan?
May tigil po. Then yan.
Okay guys, I'm struggling. I should put your bag down here. Wait a minute guys. Wait a minute. I bought sweet corn and ice cream. My favorite two ice cream combined. Let's go home now. Hi guys, I will start it if I come back home. But you know what? Let's just back home. So let's do that anymore. Let's open the door. See you guys tomorrow because I'm going to eat this now. Bye guys.